Into tubercular agent. Tuberculosis basically caused by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and it is a rod-shaped bacteria need oxygen for their survival, so we can predict where it is available, right? And cell wall is made of mycolic acid. Classification, it is divided into three lines of drug, right? First line of drug in which has high therapeutic value and less side effects. Example: isoniazid, rifampin, pyrazinamide, ethambutol, streptomycin. Second generation drugs that has lesser therapeutic action but little bit more toxic than the first line of drug. Example, first under this, the first one is fluoroquinolones, other drugs like ethanamide, rifampicin, para-aminosalicylic acid, right? And under second generation, the third category is injectable drugs. Example, kanamycin and these two. And in the third line of drug, it has very less therapeutic action and higher toxic effect. So its example is clofazimine, linezolid. Why we use third generation? Why? Because firstly we use these line of drug, first and second. Then at the end, if like it's not working, we have to use the third generation drug. Alternating generation, we can write these groups as well. Now mechanism is first mechanism of action in anti-tubercular agent is it decreases the translation of mRNA. It ultimately leads to decrease in protein synthesis. Example is aminoglycosides. Example, streptomycin. Second is RNA polymerase inhibitor, so that RNA can't be polymerized. Example is for rifampicin. Third is gyrase inhibitor in DNA synthesis. It inhibits the gyrase enzyme that prevent the supercoiling. So yeah, can't the bacteria can't able to replicate its RNA or DNA. Now then, example is fluoroquinolones. Third is inhibitor of mycolic acid synthesis. Example is isoniazid. Firstly, isoniazid is a prodrug, so it is inactive before the administration. After that, it is active form. Then it's create a covalent bond with this enzyme called INHA, which helps in synthesis of mycolic acid. So this inhibition occur and cell wall can't able to cell wall is not synthesized. Fifth is rabenogalactan synthesis inhibitor. In this, it is important for cell wall formation. So example is ethambutol. Fifth one is decreasing fatty acid synthesis, sterilization of bacteria by decreasing the pH. In this, the pyrazinamide enters the body and in acidic pH it activates and it inhibits the synthesis of mycolic acid. Seventh one is ATPase inhibitor. Example is bedaquiline.